What is accounting rate of return? Accounting rate of return, also called ARR, is a method used to evaluate investment projects. It measures the profit earned from an investment compared to the initial cost. In simple words, ARR shows how profitable an investment is based on accounting profits. The formula for accounting rate of return is accounting rate of return equals average annual profit divided by initial investment multiplied by 100. ARR uses accounting profit, not cash flow. This means it is based on profits shown in financial statements. ARR is easy to calculate and understand. It is commonly used in capital budgeting decisions. A higher arranged buy means a more profitable investment. Businesses often set a minimum required arranged buy. If the arranged buy is higher than the required rate, the project may be accepted. ARR does not consider the time value of money. It also ignores cash flow timing. Because of this, ARR has some limitations. ARR is useful for comparing similar projects. In simple terms, accounting rate of return shows profit as a percentage of investment. Easy way to remember. ARR means average profit divided by investment.